What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It is Thais Simone.
And Ayana Maria.
And we are back with another weekly message video. So this video is going to be for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. Little baby fishy. Little baby squishy fishy. But yeah, this is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising for January 16th to February 1st.
Yep.
Yeah. So let's see what messages we have for you guys.
Make sure the deck is thoroughly shuffled.
If you are new to our channel, we do tarot readings. We do affirmation videos. We're making some audio books. Okay, we're creating our very own tarot deck. I'm super pressed about it. I'm super hyped. Okay, it's called Celebrate Life. So yeah. All right, let's get into this reading. Let's see what's up with Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising. January 16th to February 1st. I feel so good. Pisces, you and Aquas are really lucky because the energy earlier was like a little, it was a little,
we had a few hour break between, the readings earlier and y'all two.
Look at that. Five of Wands reversed. Beautiful.
Yeah, so and a miracle happened in between those times. So.
Yeah, so we in this miracle energy right now. Yes! Yes, Pisces!
Oh, yeah, we have Five of Wands in reverse. The moon.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
We got the moon.
Okay.
We got Five of Pentacles in reverse. Two fives. Then we got Two of Pentacles.
Two of Pentacles. Okay, we got Strength reversed.
We got the Eight of Cups.
All right, hold up. Okay. We got the Seven of
We
Swords.
brought it back.
Reversed. All right.
We got the Eight of Swords.
Okay. Pisces. Yes, Pisces. All right.
Celebrate life.
Right. Don't forget, subscribe to our Patreon. Let's check out the behind the scenes on the Celebrate Life Tarot deck. But yeah, okay, look. So off the bat, I'm really happy to see the Strength reverse is in the center of your reading. I feel like you're really using your intuition and your inner strength to get through a lot of shit that's going down. A lot of shit that's going down. I feel like you're letting go of some fights and some challenges and some things that, were just like, I feel like with the moon here, I think that's Pisces energy.
No, it's Cancer.
It's Pisces and Cancer. It'd be going back and forth between readers. It depends on the reader. But I feel like it's both. But the moon does rule Cancer.
Right. That's how I always think Cancer for that one.
But yeah, so.
The water energy regardless. So.
Yeah, so. Because I feel like the dreamy aspect of the moon, to me, feels Piscean. Because Pisces be daydreaming and, just in and out of the fucking spiritual realm like it's nothing. But yeah, so. Five of Pentacles reversed. I always love seeing that reversed. I feel like it's absolutely beautiful. I feel like you might be coming out of a situation that you felt like, maybe a homeless situation. Maybe a situation where you were in lack or had a mindset. So I feel like all of this is in the past. So I feel like you let this stuff go a long time ago. And I feel like you're using your inner strength now to decide on what to leave behind. So I feel like you're going through your spiritual process or a spiritual process where you're healing and letting go of stuff.
Right.
Yeah, because I feel like that's all that I see in the reading is letting go of challenges, letting go of poverty, making a decision, walking away from something, celebrating, beautiful, coming out of illusions with both of these cards, the Seven of Swords and the Eight of Swords.
Yeah, because I can see how Piscean energy, how they dream so much, how they could kind of be stuck in that world. You know what I'm saying? The non-physical world. But I feel like you kind of balance that for real because of these two, the Eight of Swords in reverse and the Seven of Swords in reverse. For sure.
Yeah, and I feel like you're celebrating what you've done. You're
celebrating.
Celebrating. Yeah, I'm celebrating for you too. This is nice. This is nice. I feel like it's a lot of inner work that's being done that a lot of people don't necessarily see.
Right.
But I feel like they may feel it with the Three of Cups. Once you reconcile with some people, once you get back into union with some people, I feel like they might feel the difference. But if they do and they're not with it, then Pisces, keep it moving. They're gonna have to get dropped. And if they fucking with it, you know what I'm saying, they like, you know what, I like this new change in you, then yeah, keep them around, because I feel like this is a huge positive shift for you. Bottom of the deck, you have 4 of Pentacles reversed, more letting go. The Chariot reversed is kind of stuck. And then the Prince of Pentacles reversed is kind of stuck. So I feel like, okay, you might have hit a block, or you might be hitting a block, or something that may be more challenging for you to let go of. And I feel like maybe that's what this 2 of Pentacles is about. Like, you really have to decide what's best for you. Yeah. And the whole letting go, releasing process, you always want to determine what's best for you.
Right. First.
But yeah, I mean, overall, I feel like it's pretty good. It's a lot of releasing. It might be a little emotional, but then I don't really see no cups like that, except for these 2, but it's just like, they're not like bad cups. You know what I'm saying? Okay, either you're releasing or some. I don't know how much of that got paused because of my low battery screen.
Oh, God.
But let me finish this reading.
Okay. We should be good.
And hopefully we got it. And if not, then we'll just have to re-fucking do it.
We shall see.
But yeah, so let's get a couple oracles for you guys. What?
It's just how you insert curse words in the middle of other words.
Like what?
Re-fucking do it. Alright. Oh.
What? What is it? Re-fucking do it?
Not what do you need to release?
Everything, apparently. Pisces been letting everything go.
With the snow. It was snowing here. It was snowing in Maryland. I said snoring. I know. Okay.
Alright, come on, girl. Come on.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah. We got a lot of snow. The snow is so beautiful. The snow is like, oh, my God. It's snowing. I miss seeing the snow. It's so beautiful, but it's so cold. And I like the smell of snow.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I love snow.
Yeah.
I love when it snows on my birthday.
Well, that's very much possible.
I didn't think it would snow here.
I didn't either. That's why I was so hyped when it did. He was like, "You scared me." God.
Your dreams need a practical plan. Well, I feel like once you do all this releasing, you're certainly have enough clarity and space to do that. Oh yeah, I already looked at that. Okay. All right, so that is what we have for you, Pisces. I really hope that this saved. If you've enjoyed this reading, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notification bells so you don't miss out on any new videos. Okay, we got a lot of cool stuff coming to the channel, so definitely make sure you're here for that. And if not, we'll just catch you, when you come back. But yeah, so that's what we have for you, Pisces.
Oh my
God, that win.
I'm definitely building homeless shelters and shit.
Yeah, oh my God.
Like, can you... let me not get into that.
But yeah, so that is what we have for you, Pisces. And until next time, you are truly legendary, and we love you. Later.
Later.